In a landmark judgment, the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, Kolkata, has set aside a demand for differential customs duty and penalties against MS Reach Infocom Tech Pvt. Limited and its director. The case revolved around allegations of misdeclaration of retail sale price, RSP, during the import of mobile phones and laptops, leading to alleged short payment of countervailing duty, CVD. The revenue claimed that the appellants altered RSP stickers post-import, which constituted undervaluation and evasion of CVD. The appellants argued that customs authorities lacked jurisdiction to demand differential CVD for goods already assessed and cleared for home consumption. They contended that altering RSP stickers amounts to manufacture under Section 2, F. 3 of the Central Excise Act, 1944, making any duty liability fall under excise law, not customs law. They also highlighted procedural lapses, including the non-compliance with Section 138B of the Customs Act, which rendered the statements relied upon by revenue inadmissible. The tribunal referred to several case laws, including Mitashi Edutainment Pvt. Limited vs. of Customs, Import, Mumbai 2, 2018, 12, TMI 390, CESTAT Mumbai, L'Oreal India Pvt. Limited vs. of C.X. Raigad Thane, 2014, 308, ELT 746, Tribunal, Mumbai, and ITC Limited vs. Commissioner of Central Excise, Kolkata 4, 2019, 9, TMI 802, Supreme Court, to conclude that the demand for differential CVD was legally unsustainable. The tribunal also ruled that the extended period of limitation was wrongly invoked, and the confiscation order and penalties were invalid as the goods were not physically available. Ultimately, the tribunal allowed the appeals, setting aside the impugned order in its entirety and granting consequential relief to the appellants. This judgment reinforces the importance of adhering to legal procedures and jurisdictional boundaries in tax assessments. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.